I want to share with you some amazing results I was able to obtain in my attempts to raise the ambient air temperature in my mini walk-in style greenhouse for the lowest amount of overhead, the cheapest cost possible. So what I came up with is to use a 32-gallon trash can, fill it with water, and drop down a fish aquarium heater. This is going to heat the water and act as a heat sink, emanating that heat from the vessel into the greenhouse, heating up the airspace. Well, it worked a charm, and for a very low cost. I also found that by simply placing a moving blanket over the top, you could further increase the temperature shift by helping to trap that hot air inside the greenhouse, essentially insulating it with just one single moving blanket. So on this particular morning, and I say morning because it was about 1 to 2 a.m., the outside temperature was 30 degrees Fahrenheit. We were below freezing. This is equivalent to a -1 degree Celsius. But inside the greenhouse, we were coming in at 49.5 degrees Fahrenheit, or 9.7, almost 10 degrees Celsius. This was a temperature increase of a whopping 19 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, keeping us well above the freezing temperatures and easily able to survive plants, seedlings, transplants that are most vulnerable this time of year. As we're doing all this work, we're also in the season where the weather can be unpredictable. You can get cold snaps, frost, storms. So a very cost-effective setup to help protect and save your plants. Most of us gardeners have this common challenge this time of year. We're getting our seedlings going, we're up potting, we're bringing plants outside to harden off. But this is also a time of year where the weather is quite unpredictable. You could have cold snaps, freezes, frosts, storm events. Well, a setup like this can help protect your plants from all of those things and give you peace of mind and help ensure your success. And that's why I'm putting this out there. Hope it helps somebody in some way. If so, I sure appreciate it if you smash that thumb button. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel. New uploads every week, sometimes every day. And I'm always giving you updates on all the different projects growing on around here, just like this one. Be sure to check down below. I'll drop links to all the items mentioned today. That's not why I made this video, but it's there. If you want to help support the channel at no extra cost to you, utilizing our product links is a great way to do that. We surely do appreciate it. So with that, have yourself a great rest of the day. Until next time, this is Dan from PlantAbundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.